Ladies and gentlemen, you're welcome. Nadeoboye here. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how you can become CAC accredited agent. So it's very important to watch this video to the very end because every piece of information in this video is very important. To get started, ensure you subscribe to this YouTube channel. If you're yet to subscribe, like this video, share it with your friends and family. If you have any question, you can ask in the comment section. I'll be glad to answer you. So let's go right into the video. So the first thing you're going to do is you go to your browser and put this particular URL pre.csa.gov.ng. So I'll put this link in the comment section. You can click on the link and you'll be brought straight to this place. Now in this place here, you are going to see step 1, step 2, step 3. All you have to do is to come to this step 3 here. So this is step 3, this is step 3. So just come here and click on this get start here. So when you click on this start here, it's going to open up like for you to log in. Just come down. You're going to see this sign up button down here. So let me show you the sign up button. So this is the sign up button. You just click on that sign up button and it will take you to where you can actually sign up. Now, when you are signing up, all you have to do is to put in either your phone number or you put in your NIN. So in this case, let me just put in a phone number to just get things rolling. We'll put in a phone number. Okay, this phone number has been taken. Let me put in another one. So then you're going to click on next. So when you click on next, 3 options is going to open up for you here. Option 1, option 2, option 3. All I have to do is to click on this option 3. This particular button, I click on it and it's going to turn to green. When you click on it, it's going to turn to green like this. Then they're going to be information you're going to see. Please take note that CAC has the right to either they can disapprove it or approve it. So they have the right. So it means that you cannot question them if what you submitted is not enough. So I'll give you some important information that's very important before you even go ahead to do all these things. Make sure you watch this video to the very end. Do not skip any part whatsoever. Now there are 4 steps we're going to follow. The first step is to create your account. The second step is to upload the document. The third step is to make a payment. By the time of recording this video, the payment is around 5,000 naira for you to get your accreditation number. All right, guys. So then after that, you'll be confirmed. When you are confirmed, they are good to go. So now, accredited agent types. There are basically 3 people that can actually become an agent. Basically 3 people, and the first person is a lawyer or a chartered accountant and a chartered secretary. So any one of these, you can become an agent. Now, if you're not any one of these and you have somebody who is an accountant, who is chartered accountant, or a person that is actually a lawyer, that is a member of the Nigeria Bar Association as a lawyer, that person, you can speak with the person and the person is going to, okay, I'm going to register for you. When the person registers for you, then you use the person's account to be able to carry out transaction. The person can also make use of the account while you can also make use of the account. So let me just get started by selecting this first person. Then here you put in your username. So here let me just put in username, Aderoboye, my son name. Then I'm going to put in my first name here. I'm going to put in Daniel. I'm going to put in my last name. So I'm going to put in my last name here. All right. So then you're going to select your date of birth. In this case here, I'm going to select a date of birth. I'll click on this year and swap, to a later year. Then put this and put this. Then I'm going to select my gender. If I'm male, you select male. If I'm female, you select female. So here I'm going to select male. Then I'm going to come back here to put in email. So I'm going to put in this particular email. So I'm just going to put this one. Then I'm just going to copy this email and bring it here. Then paste it. Then here I am going to put in the username you prefer. So I'm going to use this username that I prefer. Okay. I'm going to use this one. I think I prefer this one. Let me just put this. Okay. And that is good for me. Then I'm going to put in your password. So in this place, I'm going to put in password. So let me just put this password, president. All right. So I'm using this password. President 0987654321. All right. So I'm going to repeat the password again. So you just have to confirm the password to ensure that it is correct. Okay. So I'm going to repeat it. So if it's correct, you are good to go. So you're going to do like this if it's correct. Then here you put in your occupation or description. So here I am going to put lawyer, or you put registered lawyer or anything. Then here your country, I'm going to select Nigeria. Then you come down here, you select your state. So in this state, I'm going to select Lagos, for example. Then here, so your postal code is optional. You can leave it or fill it. So I'm going to select Alimosho as local government. Then here I'm going to select, okay, let me put this. I think there's a place known as this place in the Alimosho local government. Then I'm going to put in the house number. I'm going to select just 4. I'm going to put in a street here. Just put in your street. Okay, let me put Adeola Street. Then after doing that, you select this option, which is the type of identification. So you can use either age declaration, birth certificate, driver license. You can use international passport, or you use your national ID card. So yeah, I'm going to use national ID card. You can also use your voter's card actually. So national ID card. Yeah, I'm going to select one of. Then click on save and continue. When you click on save and continue, if this is going to go through, it will take you to this next step here, which is where you can actually upload your documents. So this place here is very important. You have to follow suit everything that you have been required. You're going to sign a sheet of paper, you snap it and upload it here. So this will be the first one you do. You do the second one, your passport. You can just probably take a picture of yourself, or better still, if you have a picture like a PNG or JPEG. So it's basically like a picture. You put it there. Then this third one is evidence of identification. So usually like you putting your bar, your lawyer certificate, those stuff. Just put it there. Then here you put in okay, yeah, you put in your qualification certificate, you put your certificate. Now this place that they put evidence of identification. So these are your evidence that prove that you're a lawyer. Put it there. The qualifying certificate that also prove that you're a lawyer, or if you're using chartered accountant, so you put that you have been called to, become a chartered, you put your certificate there. Then this third one here, you put your NYC discharge certificate or your session letter, which is actually, this is optional. You can see here, it is optional. It's not compulsory you do that, but you can just fill it up that. Then here you put your current practice fee receipt. You will put this in PDF and upload it. Then this order is also optional. So many have successfully done all of this. Anywhere you see yes, it's a must you do that. But if it's optional, you might do it or you leave it. But I would advise you to just fill up all the available details. Then when you are done, this is going to open up for you. You are going to click on proceed to payment. So in the proceed to payment, you're going to make a payment of around 5,000 naira. By the time of recording this video, it's 5,000 naira. So immediately after make a payment, they'll confirm your registration and you're going to get your accreditation number. So with this, you can be able to start registering people. And of course, you need to register yourself first. Register yourself so that you can be legit. So guys, I believe that with this video, you are able to know how you can become an accredited agent. So please ensure you like this video, share it with your friends and family. Please subscribe if you're here to subscribe. I am Daniel Adeoboye, and I love you. I look forward to see you in the next video. Thank you so much. Take care.